Folding pedals are pretty cool and certainly can make your life much easier. They are an excellent option for many people and can save many scratches and smacked shins when walking around or storing your bike at home or work. In this video, we have selected some of the best folding pedals as well as a guide to folding pedals which includes everything you need to know about them. There is a lot of information in here, so use this table of contents to navigate to what you need. Best folding pedals, NKS FD7 folding pedals. The NKS FD7 is by far the most durable and sturdy folding pedal. For folding pedals, these are most people's go-to and feature everything you would need in a folding pedal. They are an alloy pedal and weigh in at 487 grams. The alloy body and platform means that these pedals will last longer and ultimately provide a better, more stable ride than other cheaper pairs. The alloy platform also features semi-aggressive grooved grips. These provide plenty of grip on the pedal without shredding your shoes. Folding this pedal up is super easy and only requires a simple push of a button and then fold the pedal up or down until it clicks into place. It's as easy as that. Sunlight folding pedals. Sunlight folding pedals are a combination of an alloy carrier with a composite pedal platform. They are cheaper than the NKS pedals due to the composite body, which means they won't have the same durability and sturdy feel that the NKS do. Nonetheless, they are still a good option for those that don't ride super long distances or try and break any speed records. The composite platform results in a slightly lighter pedal weighing in at 436 grams. The composite platform features protruding blocks along the edge of the pedal for grip when pedaling. They definitely won't shred your shoes, but they also don't provide as much grip as the NKF would. When it gets wet, the composite platform will become slippery and so care should be taken when riding in the wet. Again, the folding mechanism is super simple and is simply a pinch mechanism at the end of the pedal which releases the pedal to be folded away. The folding mechanism is very stiff when first purchased, however, it loosens over time with use. Dr. Bike folding pedals. The Dr. Bike folding pedals are the cheapest on the list but are a great value pedal. The pedal body is made entirely of composite materials and so they may not last as long as the NKS, but they are considerably cheaper and solidly built for the price. The weight of the pedals is pretty standard, weighing in at 448 grams, which is acceptable considering their price. As with the Sunlight folding pedals, there is little in the way of grip on the composite pedal platform, which is fine in the dry, but they will become slippery in the wet. As with all the pedals, the folding mechanism is super easy and simply requires pulling the lever in the middle of the pedal and folding it away. Overall, they are a great budget pedal. They won't be as durable or stable as the NKS but will be sufficient for shorter commutes or the occasional cruise around town. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.